My name is Eunice Mombi. Professionally, I'm a medic. I fellowship at PCA Kayole Church, and I'm the chair lady of the health board. And we normally have on board several events for camps. And today, 21st of April, I'm so happy it is a blood donation day. We are working with Mama Lucy. They're the ones who are helping us to do the blood donations. And I want to thank them because they came so early and the exercise has already kicked off. I want also to thank my great partners, the MCA, Komaloko Ward, Mutumishi, who came in a big way and gave us a lot of donations for sodas and bread. And also the MCA for Kayole Central Ward, More Fire. They have done great. Early in the morning he called me to make sure that we had all the donations that we required. I want to take this opportunity to thank them because of the support and the help. I also want to thank PCA Kayole Sacco. They are also the ones who give us the tents that you can see and the water that is being used in the camp. I also want to appreciate them in a big way. And I also want to appreciate the church who have supported us. They have given us the field and they have given us the hospitality and everything else that we have required. They have stood in for us. I want to thank them so much. And generally I want to thank the public who have come in a big way to make sure that they have donated blood. And finally we have Nanak Hospital who are offering us the other services like the blood pressure, the blood sugars and the medical consultation. I want to thank them so much. And I pray that we continue with this spirit of giving blood because there's nowhere else we can get blood other than the human beings. So I want to challenge everyone that we be regular donors, and we always thought that for a man you can donate 4 times in a year, for a lady 3 times in a year. So I'm throwing the challenge out there that kindly this year help us to save a life by donating blood. Thank you very much.